friends, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ikando. I do makeup tutorials, so please feel free to join the family by clicking the right button in the bell notification so you can always be notified each time I put a new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be doing a monochrome red wine makeup look, so I hope you guys enjoy this video and you watch until the end. And before we get into that, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure you leave a comment on the comment section below. To start off with my makeup look, I've already sprayed my face with MAC, Prep and Prime. So now I'm just applying my primer, which is the Kiss Beauty primer, and then I'm just going to apply my foundation and use the beauty blender to blend the foundation. Now that I'm done applying my foundation, I'm just going to highlight my face on my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, pubic spot, chin, forehead, as well as below my cheekbone to create a reverse contour. So I'm just going to add this concealer on all the dark spots on my face and where I feel I need to be lifted up. So to blend out this concealer, I'm going to use the same damp beauty blender which I used to blend out the foundation. And the concealer I'm using is the Iman Pro Concealer with the shade 03. To contour my face, I'm using the Gulflower highlight and contour palette. So from that palette, I'm just using the darkest shade, which is a deep brown, so I'm just going to add it on my forehead as well as my cheekbone area, as well as my nose and my lower jawline. To state my highlight, I'm using the Naked for Urban Decay Age Defying Pressed Powder to state the concealer on all the points where I highlighted. So this gives me a matte finish, and this is why I love it, and it's very much closer to my skin tone. So I'm just going to apply it on all the areas where I highlighted, especially. So I'm gradually adding the loose powder on the place which I highlighted, and then I'm just going to use the same loose powder to bake below my under eye. So I'm just adding it on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, as well as below my cheekbones and my chin. So guys, in my previous video I did this wing liner tutorial, so if you guys didn't watch it, please go ahead and watch it. If you want to know how I created the wing liner and the red under eye, I'm going to link the video right on the top right corner of this tutorial, so make sure you go and check it out. So this is a continuation. The look that I'm doing today is a continuation of the previous look that I did. So when I created this wing liner tutorial, I was like, I can add some more on my eyelid, create another look. So this is what I decided to do, and I filmed this, so I wanted to share it with you. So for my transition shade, I'm just going to use a burgundy shade from the Violet Vase eyeshadow palette, and I'm just using a circular brush and just gradually adding the product onto my transition area and then blending out using the wing swiper motion. So now that I'm done, and I have the coverage that I want with my transition, I've decided to go in with some shadow on my outer V corner on my transition area. So I'm just gradually adding some black, from some black eyeshadow. To apply that, I'm using the Kiss Beauty Black Eyeshadow Studio and using a flat brush. So I'm just gradually adding and blending it out, mixing it with the burgundy shade which I added on my transition area. So guys, whenever you want to do this, always make sure that you blend properly. When you blend properly, the makeup look is going to come out looking absolutely beautiful. So blending is key. Guys, this makeup look would have been incomplete without some glow. So to add some glow on my eyelid, I say to go in with the burgundy glowy shade from the Violet Verse makeup palette. So I'm just using a flat concealer brush and then gradually adding the glow on my eyelid. So I'm just creating like a half cut crease, and I'm not going all the way in my transition. So I'm just creating a half cut crease on my eyelid, just adding the complementing burgundy glowish shadow. So I kind of lost the wing liner, and to reapply the wing, I'm just using the MAC gel eyeliner in black. I'm gonna use a flat angled brush to apply the wing liner. So now I'm just dusting my face with a powder brush and using my Urban Decay pressed powder. So guys, this monochrome look is finally complete. I really love how it came out. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section below. I love reading all your comments. Always feel free to express yourself here on my channel. So I'm gonna see you in my next video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, comment and share this video to your friends. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.